Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Suzuki Boulevard S40. 650cc. This bike is a really nice, lightweight, low seat height scooter, cruiser. Beautiful metallic red. Fantastic condition, only 1,478 miles. It's got that rear passenger backrest and the luggage rack. Belt drive, no chain to mess with. Save hundreds over the price of new for only $36.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.